What's up babes, Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have planned for award season, which is coming right up, a really beautiful fishtail updo. So it's gonna work great if you have obviously a medium length hair, it works great on long hair, and even if you have layers that are about to your chin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any future videos, and let's jump into it. Alright babes, I'm working with second day hair here. I'll go ahead and link up the video below for how I got these curls. But to start, I'm using Living Proof's dry shampoo. This is one of my favorite products of all time. So I'm just going to spray it near my roots, about 10 or so inches away, and then let it sit for about 30 seconds. This is going to soak up any unwanted oils and make my hair feel super fresh and clean. And then after the 30 seconds is up, you're just going to shake it out with your fingers. After that, I'm using the IGK Crybaby Anti-Frizz Smoothing Serum, just a couple pumps in my palms, and then I'm warming it up in my hands, just using some good old friction. This product is going in the mid-lengths to the ends of my hair, and it's just going to eliminate frizz and add shine, all while nourishing the hair and protecting it from heat. After we've glossed up our hair and it's nice and smooth, I'm going in with the Living Proof Body Builder. So this product adds like instant body and movement into the hair. It fluffs it up a bit and makes it nice and airy. It has a customizable nozzle, which is so cool. You can turn the nozzle to the M for more, which means the particle size is bigger and it just sprays out heavier. And then you can move it to the L for less. So if you're not needing as much movement or whatever, you would turn it to the L. So this just goes all over the hair and it's a great prep spray before any style. Okay guys, we're gonna learn the Dutch fishtail braid. Are you ready? We're gonna take a side part like this and gather a small section of hair on the heavier side of our part and then split it into 2 equal sections. So the back section is gonna be held by my pinky finger and the front section is gonna be held by my index finger and thumb. So I have a free hand to work with. This free hand is gonna split off a little sliver of that front section, and this section is going to go underneath its section and be combined with that back section. So I'm going to pass it under and kind of grab it with my middle finger and pull it on over, and it's going to be combined with that back section. So we're going to do the same thing now on the other side. This front section is going to go in between our pinky finger and ring finger. This back section is going to be held by our index finger and kind of like middle finger. So what we're going to do is use our free hand to gather a sliver of hair, and we're going to pass it underneath its section. So this is its section. We're going to pass it underneath, and I'm just going to grab it with my middle finger and combine it with that front section. Okay, so this is where we're going to add in new sections of hair. We're going to gather a section of hair, pass it under its section and combine it with the back section, and then we're going to add in a new sliver of hair. It's going to go underneath that front section and be combined with the back section. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. This front section is being held by our pinky finger, the back section is being held by our index finger and middle finger. We're going to take a little section from the back section, we're going to pass it on underneath its section, grab it with your middle finger and combine it with the front section. And then we're going to add in a new section of hair. So this new section of hair is going to go underneath its section. You're going to grab it with your middle finger and combine it with that front section. Does that make sense? If you guys need a more in-depth tutorial, I have a video for you that I will link up in the description box. So other than that, we're going to kind of cruise through this. So take a small section, pass it underneath, combine it with the back section, add in a new section of hair to the back section, take another sliver of hair from the back section, pass it under its section to the front section, add in a new section of hair to the front section. The smaller sections you take, the more intricate your fishtail braid is going to be, and I want you to angle the braid towards your ear. From the back, you can see I'm continuing that deep side part and pulling in those new sections of hair all the way over. And once you reach right about here, go ahead and stop adding in new sections of hair and just finish off the braid with a regular fishtail. And
my favorite part, it's time to stretch the braid. So hold the end of the fishtail taut with one hand, and with your other hand, you're gonna just gently pull out and stretch those sections of hair. You can see that adds so much fullness and texture to the style. It's seriously so pretty. So once you've stretched it out a bit, go ahead and take a clear elastic and secure the ends. You can go ahead and massage the fishtail braid a little bit more, and then I like to actually secure the braid by pushing a couple bobby pins up the seam of the braid. This will help your braid from falling out and staying put, but still keeping the braid looking big and fluffy. We're gonna go ahead and repeat this on the other side. Just try to mirror your first braid and end it in the same spot, but on the opposite side. Now that our braids are finished, I'm going in with the Kerastase medium hold hairspray and just spraying any flyaways down and making sure that the braids stay in place while we finish the rest of the hairstyle. Alright, I'm clipping these braids up and out of the way and then pulling the rest of the hair with a clear elastic into a low, messy bun. Afterwards, I'm just taking a couple of bobby pins to the bun to create the exact shape that I want. This is all a matter of preference, so you do you. It is really helpful if you have a mirror in front and behind you so that you can see exactly what you're doing. Next, I'm removing the clip that's holding the braids, and I'm just gonna take the smaller braid first and drape it over the top of the messy bun. So go ahead and wrap the tails around and underneath the bun and then pin it in place with a couple of bobby pins. And then of course we're taking the first braid and draping it over the second. Go ahead and wrap the ends around the messy bun and underneath, and then just secure it in place with a couple of bobby pins. Go ahead and fix the shape, stretch the braid even further if you need, and then spray it with hairspray. And there you go. You guys, isn't it so pretty? I love this hairstyle so much.
Alright guys, that's a wrap. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this a hairstyle that you would wear? Do you think it's pretty? I want to know all the things. Would you like to see more updos like this? Don't forget to subscribe below so you don't miss any future videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Bye!